Good afternoon. We're going to be replacing the backup bulb that's gone out on this 2014 Camaro SS. The first thing you do is take a flathead screwdriver and just pop the center pieces up of this, and then those will pop out, hopefully without breaking it. Just be careful with them. I'm going to do that on all three, 1, 2, and 3 back there. I'll be right back. Now, once you've got them all three popped up like that, they should just pop out. They take a little bit of wiggling to get them out. Let me do that, and I'll come right back. That first one was a little stubborn. What you can do is just get you a screwdriver and go right up under there, and you'll pop right out the whole piece. You do that 3 times, just like that. It pops out. Then this cover should come off, just like that. Ooh, a little dirty in there. And then you've got the tail lights, the backup light is in the middle, and then the other tail light over here, or turn signal over here. But you can see for this one, we've got to get to this black tab right there. We're gonna vacuum all that out, make it nice and clean, because it's just gotten dirty over the years. It's a 12-year-old car. We'll take that and pull it out, and I'll get to that and I'll show you that from a different angle. All right, I've tried to get a light in there where you can see it a little bit better, but that black tab right there, and you see the tail light or the backup light. The black tab right there is what we want to get to, and you want to turn it a quarter turn. If you're standing at the back of the car, it's going to be counterclockwise. Just be careful not to break it, and then it should pull out just like that. There it is. All right. And then you just take the bulb out, you replace it with a new one. I'll go get the part number real quick where you can see it and show you how to take it out. And then you put it back in and do the reverse. Here's the part number before I take it out. And this thing comes out really easy. So you just pull this straight out, holding that, pop it out. There you go, just pop it out. Part number 921, Sylvania replacement bulb is what I went with. Pop it back in and put it back in and turn it and put all your stuff back. Now you can see we put it back in, we plug it in, turn it a quarter turn. From the back of the car, that would have been clockwise. And it's back in, ready to go. Now all we got to do, vacuum it out of course, put this cover back on, put the 3 plugs in, and you're done to test it. Hope this helped. Now what I decided to do was go ahead and just replace both. That one's the exact same process, the black tab right there. Let's go and get it out. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum in here real quick, just get all the trash and dust out. Then to put it all back, once we got it clean, put that cover back on, you get your 3 tabs, and you can see they just push in. What I always try to do, there's a little notch on it right there. I always try to put it where I can get the screwdriver into it easy next time, just like that, or either point it to where you'd have a little pry pressure right here, push it down, and do that for all of them. Turn it where you can get to it. There, my last one. It's got to be here somewhere. There it is.
You got it, baby?
Yep.
Okay, I'm sorry, I was coming.
It's fine. I got the best wife in the world. She always helps me with these little projects. You put the other cover back on, and you replace them both at the same time, because usually a car this old, they're gonna go out about the same time, and you want them to match. Find your notch, make sure you can get to it, push it in, your notch, and voila, we're done. We have to test it and see if it works. You wanna go up there? You wanna go there and test it?
I got you.
All right, bye. She didn't like to help me test sometimes.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.